So, one of most famous Resynthesizer plugin features is the Heal Selection tool, which automatically replaces selected areas with textures from the surrounding image. In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to install the Resynthesizer plugin in GIMP 3.02 in Windows. First things first, when you go to the GitHub page of the Resynthesizer plugin, you will find that for GIMP 3, work is still in progress. But if you can't wait, you can head to the link in the description below and download the zip file. Once it's downloaded, locate the zip file in your Downloads folder. Extract the files. Next, let's install the plugin. Open GIMP 3.0.2 and navigate to Edit in the menu bar, then click on Preferences. Scroll down to Folders and select Plugins. Here you'll see the directories where GIMP looks for its plugins. Let's open the plugin folder. Drag and drop the extracted Resynthesizer folder into it. Then drag and drop the 3 scripts into the scripts folder. Now, let's close GIMP and restart it for the changes to take effect. To check if the plugin is installed correctly, go to the Filters menu. You should see the Resynthesizer options here. And that's it. Let's give it a try. Let's open a random image. Grab the free select tool and select the part we want to remove. Keep a small gap around the object. Now let's go to Filter, Resynthesizer, Heal Selection. I will keep everything as the default for this tutorial. Then press OK. And that's it. It replaces the selected object with textures from the area around it. Let's try the Heal Transparency tool now. I'll erase an area to create a transparency. Then go to Filter, Resynthesizer, Heal Transparency. Then press OK. And that's it! It filled the transparent pixels with textures from the image around it. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips and tutorials. See you next time!